talk about smart flood early warning system that we create for the past few weeks. Okay, so first of all, I would like to introduce my teammate. The first is me, myself, Putri Ahmad Zulaika. And next is we have Akrimi Maswa. And then we have Kuroto Ain, our last group member. Okay, so as we all know, flood is a natural disaster that is not worth to happen in Malaysia. That's why early warning system are crucial for community to keep prepared and ready to avoid big disaster, and also it will help to reduce the impacts of flood. That's why we decide to create early warning system that will detect the water level and to provide early warning by monitor the water level. So here is our objective. The first is to design and develop Arduino-based flood system. Try using a water level sensor. Next objective is to detect different water level stage and to classify them to different alert level. And for our last objective is to activate all indicator lights and a buzzer at the right time of and also at the right level of water level for each components.
Now I will explain the approach and technique used in our IoT-based flood monitoring system. First, let's look at the connection between Wi-Fi and the microcontroller. In our system, we use ESP8266 Node MCU, which has built-in Wi-Fi. This allows the system to connect directly to the internet and send or receive data wirelessly. This connection is important because it enables real-time monitoring and communication without using any cables. Next is the connection between the water level sensor and the Node MCU. The water level sensor is used to detect how high the water is. It is directly connected to the input pin of the Node MCU. When the water level changes, the sensor sends signal to the Node MCU, which then read and process this data. The third part is water level monitoring. The Node MCU continuously checks the sensor reading and compare them with the preset threshold value. These thresholds present safe, warning, and dangerous level. By doing this, the system can quickly detect if the water is rising to the dangerous level. Next, we have the visual alert using an LED. When the water level reaches the warning or dangerous stage, the Node MCU turns on the LED. This gives the user a clear visual signal that flood may be occurring. Finally, we have the audible alert using a buzzer. When the water level exceeds the dangerous level, the buzzer is activated. This produces a loud sound to alert nearby people immediately, even if they are not looking at the system. This alert works without internet, making it very reliable in the emergency.
These are the components used in our project. Node MCU is used to insert codes from Arduino IDE software and to have Wi-Fi access. LED light is used to create a visual effect when water level has risen to certain levels. For buzzer, it is used to play the role of a siren, which is to alert surrounding areas when the water level is at a danger level. Breadboard is used as a base for LED light and buzzer. Water level sensor is used to detect water levels at different levels. Jumper wires are used to connect other components, which is in this case, Node MCU, water level sensor, and breadboard. Water level sensor can detect minimum 0 and maximum of 700. We are using Node MCU with 3 volts. Buzzer pin for buzzer. LED pin 1 and 2 is for LED light at different water levels. We set up the codes and loop them. And then The buzzer will buzz when the water level is higher than 600. The first LED will light up at level more than 300, while the second one lights up at 500 and more.
So, in conclusion, our Arduino based system were successfully designed, and the system is definitely effective to detect different water level, stage, and respond as fast as possible by activating the first LED light at the initial level, the second LED light at a higher danger level, and lastly, activate a buzzer at the critical level. This allows the community to quickly understand the severity of the flood situation and also to take appropriate action. So overall, the objective of this project was successfully achieved.